In today's video, we'll talk about how you can stake Solana in your Phantom wallet. If you're new to this channel, we provide useful updates, trading tutorials, how-to videos and other useful materials and information concentrating on cryptocurrency, NFTs and leveraging technology to invest in other assets. Please hit the subscribe button below and do not forget to hit the notification bells to get notified when we drop an amazing video like this. So let's go straight to the tutorial. Why should I stake my Solana tokens, you might ask? Well, according to Solana website, by staking your Solana tokens, you help secure the network and earn rewards while doing so, and you don't want to miss out on those rewards. You want to note though that there are conditions for staking Solana on your Phantom wallet. One of those is that Solana network fee will be charged for staking and unstaking of Solana tokens. To stake your Solana tokens, open Phantom wallet and click on Solana tokens. Click on Start Earning Solana. Choose a validator. In the list of validators, you can see how many tokens are staked with each of them and the commission they charge. In this video, we stake with Everstake for a reference. You are free to choose any validator. Validators incur costs by running and maintaining their system, and this is passed on to delegators in the form of a fee collected as a percentage or reward earned. This fee is known as a commission. Enter the amount of Solana to be staked. If you want to stake all your Solana tokens, click Max. When you are sure of the amount you want to stake, click on the stake button. If you just follow the steps in this video, congratulations, you have successfully staked your Solana tokens. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.